Three Rivers College has updated its student experience with a new and improved myTRCC page. myTRCC is your personalized hub for timely, actionable information. Here you can customize everything that is important to you on one easy-to-read page. Your login information is the same as your Three Rivers Microsoft 365 account. For more detailed information on how to log in to your Microsoft 365 account, please watch our email login tutorial video or contact the Welcome Center at 573-840-9605. The individual cards on your myTRCC dashboard can connect you to your email, class schedule, and self-service. You can make a to-do list, access Blackboard, and Raider Connect, contact your professor, and so much more. You can reorder your cards by dragging and dropping them to suit your preferences. To view all of the possible cards, click the Main menu in the upper left-hand corner and click Discover, or scroll to the bottom of the page and click Discover More. You can then save a card to your home page by clicking the banner in the top right corner of the card. If you have questions about myTRCC, please contact the Welcome Center at 573-840-9605.